reaching out to us, please subscribe at the end of the video. Thank you very much. This is going to be interesting. Today we'll be looking at how to integrate jQuery plugin with PHP. This is jQuery minimalist folder structure plugin, a Filetree plugin. So we are integrating this with PHP. Let's see the demo. Let's see the demo, guys. This is going to be interesting. You see, when you click on the parent, it brings out the children. When you click on one of the children, it brings out its children. This is interesting, guys. So how do we go about this? First of all, we follow the documentation. As a developer, you read documentation. This is what we do. We follow instruction. Yes, we follow instruction to get what we want. You follow instruction from the documentation, and you follow instruction from your computer. That's the error guide. Yes, error. We like errors. Developers like error. You feel fast to get what you want, so we fail a lot. So you see, the first instruction is this: load file tree.css. You need to load it. So apparently we don't have this file. How do we get this file? Download. Cool. Let's download it. See downloading. While we do that, let's create application. Guys, friends, what do we name it? First, I'll just give it my name because why not? Okay, let me open my text editor. Load. So guys, this is interesting. I like VS Code. Sometimes I use Sublime Text. I like the two text editors. Those are my favorites. So Ali goes into the text editor. What does it say? Oh. This is because I was trying to create it. Okay, let's just save. This is it. Simple flight plugin. So yeah, I started the tutorial before something came up. So guys, this is how we load the file. First instruction. It says you should load the file. So you load your CSS file. So we are loading it. Obviously, we don't have it here. So guys, you just need to test your PHP. Everything is working. So let's go to see, it's working. So how do we load this file here? That's the plugin. We downloaded it. Okay, go to your download, open, show in folder. Okay, it's downloaded already. Extract here. It's extracted. We need the source. We need both CSS and JavaScript. How did I know that? Well, from the demo. Look at the demo, guys. Look at the demo. You can see this is JavaScript. You can see the interactivity. This is JavaScript. So we need JavaScript. So let's check what's in the folder. You see, CSS. We are not concerned about all this. This is the plugin. That is why it's called plugin. We are plugging it into our code. We are integrating it with our code. Everything there is abstracted to us. Our own concern is to follow the instruction to get the end result, which is what? Which is this. We want our final view to be like this. So CSS, you can confirm if the CSS is being loaded. Quick tip for confirming that, you can just say body, background, red. Okay, check it. Guys, this is interesting. You see, it's in. Your file is in already. So we are loading the CSS. This is the PHP. We need to fetch the, see, this is the data we are using. See, you can see my database. This is from API data from Traversy. So we are using this. So I'll connect to my database. These are the data we'll be using. So how do you connect to database? Guys, this is software development. You have to know how to use search engine to start what you want. Say PHP fetch record from database. I've done that several times. You can see the way through school. Fetch record from it. So these are the things we need to follow. So guys, let's copy this. You don't blind copy. You copy with understanding. Yes. Know what you want to remove. Know what you want to use. Okay. Guys, this is it. This is it. These are local hosts. We are using root, password, local host. Yes. DB, what's the DB name? API DB. API DB. Oh, guys, this is fun. This is interesting. So we are connecting to this data from, what's the table name? Table name and table attributes. Products, products, products. This data we are using a name, description, price, category ID, blah blah blah. So products. We're selecting name. We're selecting description. Description. We're selecting. We're selecting price. Guys, this is what we're doing. Factual, else. Guys, first let's go to our documentation. Let's go to our documentation. We don't need this anymore. We don't need this. So we should load this file. We've done that. Say to add your own. You see, you're supposed to add our own data. Yeah, this is where our data comes in. So this is like this is just a guide, a direction, a template to follow. So you can see add your own. These are the keywords. This is where your own data comes in. So let's copy this and use it as a placeholder for our own data because it's interesting. We add it to the HTML. Yes, this is HTML. Note that HTML region, this PHP region. So these are PHP. We are fetching record. This record. We don't need this record. This is not the record we're fetching. We are fetching record from products. We are checking if record is being fetched into a row. If it's true, if this is true, then we have access to it. But you can use print out. When you use print out, you are reading an array. So guys, let's see. You see error. It's good. It's good to have errors. The developer error is good. Wow, no error. You see, our data comes out. This is our PHP data. Why this is the placeholder data? You can see, guys, something came up. This is not like this. Why are we not having same thing? And it's not even working. It's not working, guys. You see, one thing about development is you take it step by step, step by step. It's like you want to divide a large meal. You take it a bit by bit. You understand? So this is what we do. We first focus on this region. Why is it not working? So let me comment out the PHP region. So we focus on this. Ahead. Remember, this is the demo, but this is what we are having. Opposite. So how do we achieve what is in the demo? We go to the instruction, load this, add this. Where is the third row? Guys, you see this? This is the third row. The third row says we should load our JavaScript. See, this is why you should follow instruction, or else you'll just give yourself headache on something very, very simple. It's very bad. You waste your time, you waste your team time because you are not following instruction. See, you see, this is Jquery CDN. This is Filetree. So guys, we should have the same thing. We should have the same thing, guys. We should have the same thing, guys. You see, you see it, but we are still not having folder. This is supposed to be folder. What is wrong, guys? It's supposed to be folder. Why are we not having that? Why are we not having that? What do? We go to instruction. We go to instruction. What do we say? Says bug fix. Oh, that's the end. Then we missed something, guys. We missed something. We missed something. We missed something. What do we miss? God, so that's factory is already small. What do we miss? What do we miss? Okay, guys, this is where your developer experience comes in. This is, if you look at this code, look at it, CXS. You can see this is it. So this is what font awesome, guys. We need font awesome. Do we have font awesome here? Obviously, we don't. So how do you get font awesome? Font awesome. So what? Which icon you say font awesome folder, font awesome folder, font awesome folder, guys. This is interesting. Remember, we need a folder here, and we know that we need font awesome to get that folder. Font awesome. You see, cool folder. This is. How do we get it? How do we get it? How do we get it? Start using this icon. I don't like font awesome. Font awesome CDN. Download. Yeah, I like download. You download to localhost. Yes, because never could tell something might go on the server. just have it locally, and then you do CDN. You do CDN sometimes. You see the instruction into directory, our directory, download, download font also. Should we download this? Should we download this? This or this, this or this? Let's do this. Because this one involves thanks. We like thanks. So we are at the same time saying thank you to the owner. So that's why I downloaded that one. Funny. Extract this, guys. This is interesting. Font awesome. So this is font awesome. Font awesome. CSS font awesome. So copy. What's the instruction there? Guys, instructions are important. Instruction. Copy the entire font also direct. You see, for entire font also. So this is the path. So we need to copy the entire. So it's not, you need to follow instruction. Developers, we follow instruction. That's how we are developers. We develop content. Okay, code. I copy this, put it in my application. Guys, this is interesting. So declare the path as directed by instruction. You see? So guys, put it there. You can see path to font also. What is font also? These are font also. So what is the path? CSS. Font awesome slash CSS slash font awesome mean. We don't need one of these. We don't need this. Or we just leave it. We need to rename this. Why? Because we don't have 4 points. Blah 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 in this direction. So guys, this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Guys, this is it. Cool. You see? Now, where is? I'm going to do something, guys. This is repetition, right? So let's pick our PHP code and integrate it here. Remember, we are fetching data here. So we are picking our data here. This is PHP. PHP can be anywhere. So I'm moving it into this space. Yes, it's allowed. It's very much allowed. PHP can be within your HTML. You see, we are closing it. So let's pick, guys, you can see main tree. These are repetition, guys. So we remove repetition because our code, we put this in our code. This is interesting, guys. So how do we do that? Oh, you see this? This is because of PHP. We need to let our code know that I want my PHP to terminate here. I want it to begin here. So this is where I put my HTML. You see, you can see this PHP. You can see it still connects. So guys, let's fetch the data. Let's fetch the data. Row. Okay, we don't want that. Remember, this is it. We are fetching data here. So inside the main tree, these are the data. So we want our data to be here. So we use PHP. So you just see PHP, PHP. So this is an array. So we use row what? Row name. Yes, you can do row description, row price. Guys, this is interesting. Let's remove repetition. This is repetition. Three, three. See, 46 and 41 repetition. So PHP handles that because what this while loop does, it prints this in a number of times this data is present. That's what it is. So guys, let's see if there's error. It's good. We need to remove this. Don't be afraid of error. Don't be afraid of error as a developer. You see? Why? Because we didn't echo our data out, guys. Guys, this is interesting. Wow, you see, guys, we've successfully integrated the plugin. This is interesting. So basically, that's just it. As a developer, you should just relax, look at your documentation, follow the instruction, and you're good to go. You can build anything you want, follow instruction, and develop what you want your clients taste. So